Today, I'm going to talk about VAT threshold in UAE, when you can register for VAT and what documents you need. Hello everyone, this is Sudeshna from Beyond Numbers. This channel, I will talk about accounts, especially accounts for non-accountants, all you need to know about different types of taxes in UAE and entrepreneurship in general. So, what is VAT? VAT is an indirect tax. Now, what does that mean to you? It is very simple. Only the end user needs to pay VAT. It is not a cost to the business, which is very simple. Now, when can you register for VAT? When your sales turnover reaches 375,000 dirhams, within 1 month, you have to compulsorily register for VAT. And when your sales turnover reaches 187,500 over the past 12 months, you can voluntarily register for VAT. What does sales turnover include? It includes exports, your local sales, and the imports. Few of my clients ask me, I just have only exports. Do I still need to register for VAT? Yes, you do need to, because sales turnover includes exports and imports also. And what documents do you need for VAT registration? Very simple. You just need passport copy, Emirates ID copy, your sales turnover for the last 12 months, and your trade license copy, memorandum of association, or share certificate. Have any more questions about VAT or VAT registration? Please do email me. You are always welcome. And so this was it, Sudeshna from Beyond Numbers. Please, if you want to learn more about accounts and taxation, do subscribe to my channel. And so this was Sudeshna signing off from Beyond Numbers, your partner to new heights.